Self-mastery is like being a superhero of your own life. It's about being in control of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Imagine yourself as the captain of a ship. You wouldn't let the ship sail without a destination, right? Self-mastery is like having a map and steering wheel for your life. You decide where you want to go and how to get there. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. This doesn't mean being perfect, it means learning and growing from your mistakes. Remember, even superheroes have setbacks, but they always get back up and try again. Self-mastery is a journey, not a destination. Every day is a chance to learn, grow, and become the best version of you. So, buckle up, get ready for an amazing adventure, and let's unleash the power within. Self-mastery is your secret weapon to living a truly awesome life. When you master yourself, you unlock a world of possibilities. Want to achieve your dreams? Self-mastery gives you the power to make it happen. Want stronger relationships? Self-mastery helps you communicate better and understand others. Think of it like this. Your emotions are like powerful horses. If you don't know how to control them, they can take you for a wild ride. But when you master yourself, you become the rider. You decide where those horses take you. Self-mastery helps you navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. It gives you the inner strength to overcome challenges and bounce back stronger than ever. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Goals are like your personal GPS system, guiding you towards the life you want. First, think about what truly excites you. What are you passionate about? What makes you jump out of bed in the morning? These are clues to your goals. Once you have a goal, break it down into smaller steps. These are your mini missions. Having smaller steps makes the journey less overwhelming and more enjoyable. Remember to celebrate each milestone along the way. Write down your goals and keep them somewhere visible. This will keep you motivated and remind you of what you're working towards. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So grab your compass and start mapping out your path to success. Self-discipline, the engine that drives you. Self-discipline is your secret superpower. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Think of it like building a muscle. The more you practice self-discipline, the stronger it gets. Start by creating small, positive habits. Maybe it's waking up 15 minutes earlier to exercise or dedicating 30 minutes each day to learning a new skill. Remember, consistency is key. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Visualize yourself achieving your goal and let that feeling fuel your determination. You've got this. Conclusion: you've got this. Congratulations on taking this exciting journey towards self-mastery. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and never stop growing. You are capable of achieving incredible things. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and never underestimate the power within you. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on mastering yourself and living your best life.